Okay, so we're going to review mean, median, and mode before we move on to interquartile, range, and the other stuff. So that's what we're going to start today, reviewing. I hope you're able to watch this video. If not, you can go home and watch it at home. So according to this, it says, we're looking here. Mrs. Jones loves her beagles and wants to make sure that she's not giving them too many treats. She decides to record the number of treats she gives to all her beagles over the course of a week. So what is the first thing that we must do? We must order the data from least to greatest. So we're going to use the numbers above information to calculate the mean, median, mode, and range. Okay? We're going to use the matches. First thing we must do, order the data from least to greatest. Okay? To calculate, first we're going to calculate for the range, because this is what we're seeing here, the range. To calculate for the range, we have to take the number that is the smallest to the biggest. We're going to subtract it. So my range of numbers is between 21 and 14, or 14 into 21. To calculate that, we need to subtract, which that gives me 7. 21 minus 14 is 7, so that's my range. Then comes my mean. So after we added all our numbers, we're going to have an answer of 126. And that we need to divide. Let me just move this a little bit here. And that number we need to divide it by how many set of values of data we have. So this is what I mean. 126. I'm going to divide it by, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to divide this by 7. So if you have a calculator, excellent. If not, you're going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. So it's 126 divided by 7. So let me show you. It's going to be 7 into 126. Can 7 go into 1? No. Can 7 go into 12? Yes, 1 time. 7. 12 minus 7, what would that be? Can you tell me? That's going to be 5. 5, because we probably remember. Let's bring down the 6. Can 7 go into 56? Yes, 8 times. So it's going to be 18. So my mean is 18. And let's start graphing this number. So my range was 7. My range was 7. My mean is 18. Let's see. It seems that I did something wrong. So let's see what happens if we did anything wrong here, which I don't think we did. I'm going to check later. Now my median, to find my median, the median is the number that is in the middle. This goes with 21, 16 goes with 21, 17 goes with 21. My median would be 17. So let's check that again. Median is 17. And my mode. Lastly, my mode. As you remember, mode rhymes with most. So which is the number that we're repeating the most? As we can see, 21, 21, and 21 is a number that is repeated 3 times. So it's going to be 21. So let's see. 20, 21. Okay, so let's see if our answers is correct. Check our answers. Yes, we got everything correct. So as you can see, our mean is 2, 2, 5, 1 the first, and 5. So what do we have to do? Remember, we add plus, 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 plus. We know that 5 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is 15. And that 15, we have to divide it by how many set of numbers we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5, which gives us equals to 3, right? And there it is. Our answer is 3 here. So again, mean is found by even out the numbers. We need to make them even. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. We have 2 is here. 5 is here. Let's just move this over here. We have 2 here. We have 2 here. 5 here, 2 here, 1 here, and 5 here. Mean is found by evening out the numbers again, so we need to make them even. So let's see if we were to distribute these numbers evenly. This go with this, that goes here, this would go here, everything evenly. So in order for us to find the mean, we need to distribute our numbers evenly. Everything has to have the same. Maybe you have some leftovers, but everything, for example, we're going to share our little circles. So as you can see here, remember here we had 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this went to here. And then here we had only 2. Remember, if you can see here, we had only 2. So we shared 1 to this one. See, we shared 1 here. So that made that disappeared. Okay, and the same thing. So this is being shared here twice. So as you can see, we're starting to see even numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If we share 1 and 2 here, we're going to see 1, 2, and 3. So therefore, our mean is 3. See, this was an easy way to calculate it because these numbers are smaller. But when you have bigger numbers, as we have seen the day before, you can't do circles. It's going to take you forever. So if you have 50 here, and 25 here, and then 73 here, and 73 here, it's going to take you forever. So another way to do this is this way, by following the formula of adding the numbers and then dividing them by the set of numbers that you have. Now here, find the mean. Again, this is going by steps. So here we have bigger numbers. See, in this case, we cannot do what they did before, which was distribute the numbers by circles. So we have 8, we have 10, we have 12, we have 18, we have 22, 26. Now, to find the mean, you don't necessarily have to line them, order them from least to greatest, but it would be best if we do it. As you can see, this is already ordered from least to greatest. So we don't have to do the extra work. So all we're doing, and all they did here, as you can see, they added. See, here's the addition. Okay, they list their numbers, and now they added, add, and they have 96. The next steps you're going to see, they're going to divide this 96 by how many numbers you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is going to be divided by 6. Now see, it's even asking how many add-ins. These are your add-ins. Add-ins are there. There are 6 add-ins. Remember we said there were 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Bring down to 6. Can 6 go into 36? Yes, it can. 6 times, because 6 times 6 is 36 again. The sum. These are my add-ins. So my average is, my mean, which is the average, is 16. Again, what is the mean of the set of numbers? How do you know it's 11? So let's calculate it. Let's put it in order, which is already in order. 7, 10, 16. Remember, we have to add. So if you add these numbers, you are going to get the sum of them. Now 7 plus 10 plus 6, 16, that's going to give you 33. 33, how many numbers you have? 1, 2, 3. Divide that by 3, which is going to give you 11, because 11 times 3 is 33. Starting to understand this? Okay, this is excellent. So now let's move on to median range. Hold on, now we're going to do the median. The median is in the middle. Very important, the number in the middle. So let's do some problems. So let's see. Let's do problems step by step. So once again, 3 to 10. What's in the middle? 7. Again, arrange. So for this one, you must arrange the numbers in order from least to greatest. This one, big time. Yes, you have to arrange it from least to greatest. So if we're going to do that, let's see. Well, this is not arranged from least to greatest, so and let's see if that changes. Oh, okay, this is your set of numbers. Oh, yes, it is. So this was your set of numbers before, 21, 18, 24, 19, 27. Now this is from least to greatest, 18, 19, 21, 24, 27. So again, find the median, goes 18 goes with 27, 19 goes with 24. What's your median? 21. Easy. We don't have to calculate here so far. There's no calculation yet. Now, this is your median number, as we said before. Now, how to find the median in a group of numbers. So what happens if your median falls between two numbers? So let's see. Remember, each number, Remember, each number has to have a pair. 18 goes with 28, 19 goes with 27, 21 goes with 25. Not 19 goes with 27, 21 and 25 are left. So what we do, we are going to add them. If there are two middle numbers, find the mean of these two numbers by adding them. So the mean is 46. Now the median would be what? We have to divide that by 2. We divide it by 2 because we have two set of numbers, and my median is 23. How did that happen? Like this, 21 plus 25, that's 5, 6, 46. Now because I have 1 and 2 numbers, I divided by 2 into 46. 2 going to, yes you can, 4 times, 4, 0, minus, bring down your 6, yes you can, 3 times, 6, 0, 23. That's my answer, and that is what you have. I hope you're understanding this much better. And this is our last example. Now we're going to move on to the mode. I don't think I have to explain the range. The range is already easy. But I'll give you one example. So now we need to find the median of these numbers. Okay, let's find the median of these numbers. We have 16, 10, and 7. Put it in order, 7, 10, and 16. Median, 10, easy. There's no calculation there. But now we have here 4 and 28, 8 and 9. Easy, no problem there either. But now we have these numbers, 2, 31, 7, and 19. We have these two numbers. Now we're going to add them to find the middle number. 26 divided by 2, because 2 is the two numbers that I have. That gets me 13. That's my median. Okay, so let's do mode. The most popular number, the number that repeats the most. So let's see. A la mode, the most popular number, which is in fashion. Baseball caps are mode today. Okay, so here, which number repeats the most? 1. Here, which number repeats the most? I bet you can guess already. I bet you told me 18. It is 18. Here, again. Now your mode can be more than one. You can have more than one mode, which we're going to see here soon. So if there's no mode, if no number repeats, then there's no mode. Here we have what's your mode? 8. Here, what is your mode? Although we have 2 here that repeats, but 9 repeat the most. See, you have 1, 2, 3. And this only repeats 2 times. I want the number that repeats the most. That is your mode. Here again, 21. That's the number that repeats the most. Now range, the distance between. So if I have a range between 1 and 30, so the range is going to be the distance between these two numbers, and what numbers are in between here. Okay, so here, the range. And for this one also, you don't have to necessarily put them in order. You just need to know where is the small number and where is the big number. In this case, these numbers are in order, so you're lucky. 30 minus 1, 12. Done. Here. See, they put it in order for us, but we can just tell which is the smallest number, which is 18, and the biggest number, which is 27. So see, we subtract 18 and 27, you see that? Which is going to give you Now I see 27 minus 18. That is the range. Again, here, you don't have to put it in order. You can just tell me here and here. These are your range from 4 to 29. See, 29 minus 4, 25. Again, for this one, you don't have to put it in order. You just need to know again. So you have 21 and 32. Subtract them, you get 11. Lastly, 7 and 41, which is what we have here, 34. Okay? So I hope that this review has helped you, and now let's move on to the next video. I'm going to upload some worksheets that you're going to be doing for this, or you can complete the Google Slides that you have. Okay? Complete that in class. Thank you. Bye-bye.